This adventure is sponsored by Himiway. All right, guys, we are about 2 miles from the area where we're hoping to set up the cabin. What's really cool about this area is we're in bluff country. We're in the river valley here with the Zumbro River.
We were just driving through farmland for 2 hours, and the whole time I was kind of thinking, like, okay, where's the forest? And then you dip into this almost like canyon.
Yeah, it's like a valley. It's a river valley. Look, it's even right behind you. Look how pretty that is.
We're the only ones here.
We are. Wow.
Wait, is this open year round?
It is.
It is.
Now here's the thing. It's only plowed up to here. Come on, Elle. I'm gonna do a little scouting. I don't know. I feel like I could drive on this, although I wouldn't want to like risk getting the cabin stuck. This is a campsite right here. It's for the campground host, but there are no campground hosts. So I think we could camp right here. Keep it simple. This campground during the summertime is just usually packed with people. If you see all these lines, these are all tie-offs for people to tie up their horses. So people come here with horses and they ride the trails here. In the winter time, it's a different story. As you can see, we're the only ones here. We're fortunate that they actually plowed this circle in here so that we could even get in because the state forests do not plow their roads in the wintertime. Later on, I'm gonna take out my fat tire bike. I'm super stoked. This is the first winter that I'm gonna be able to use this thing. While we have horse trails all over here, they're gonna turn into bike trails for me.
Great way to start the first day of the new year.
Yeah, I guess we haven't really said that yet. It's January 1st. All right, we're having a little lentil soup here. Perfect on a, well, I guess it's not that cold out, but on a snowy day.
I love lentil soup.
Come on, Ellie. So we're going out for a little walk. We're hoping to get on some of the trails back here. Ellie is always so fired up.
She thrives out here.
A little bit of sediment in there. It'll run clean eventually.
Is it good?
Yeah, tastes like hose water. Not too shabby. We have a strange dog entering the campground.
I do not see it.
There he is.
He looks nice.
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, a little showdown. You guys cool?
Good?
Yeah, good job, Ellie. That was good.
Yeah.
And now you have a playmate.
He likes you.
Yeah. Bye. You're a good dog, Ellie. That was cute. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. Love you. Whoa. Get onto the deeper snow like this. It's a little bit harder. Here we go. Got some momentum. Whoa! Okay. Hills and snow like this just don't seem to be working out. Howdy. Beautiful day, huh?
It is. I got one flush and one miss.
Oh, okay.
Gross.
Okay.
Yeah. Last day of the season. So.
Gotcha. I didn't know you could still. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I figured since we're going for a walk, I might as well
Yeah.
at least try.
Right on. Nice to meet you guys. Happy New Year.
Yeah,
Happy
me
New
too.
Year to you too.
I like that bike.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't think I can go any further. It's just too thick of snow and too deep. It's not actual deep snow, you know, it's only up to like just past my ankles, but like this is so hard to bike in, and underneath the shell or like the crust, it's all just powder, and I'm just sliding out left and right. Well, before we head back down, let's just take a look at this. It's stunning. It's got kind of like a mix of everything that you have here in Minnesota. You got the bluffs, pines, hardwood, deciduous trees. Man, is it pretty. It's time to ride down these hills. It can either be epic or a major disaster. It's like you're skiing. Whoa! Oh. I made it. Hi.
Did you make it to the top?
No. It got kind of rough. But it was super fun, and look, I was able to gather wood in the woods and bring it back on the bike.
It's great.
Tonight we're going to be making chili in our cast iron Dutch oven. It's gonna be really, really good. Rye's chopping up all the veggies.
great fire.
Oh yeah.
You did a good job.
Thank you. Oh yeah, she's done.
Woo! Oh, yes.
This looks really good.
I know, it does.
I know you guys can't see it right now because it's so dark, but you will once we get inside.
Oh, it smells great. Wonderful.
You got them?
Got him.
Okay.
Gotta get my pipe.
All right. Hooking it up with the cheese.
I actually can't have this kind of cheese.
Aw, because of Prego?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Come on. Okay. Oh, there's my beanie.
Looks good. It's time to dig in.
Amen. Very hot. Careful. Ooh,
It's good.
really good.
This is the first chili I've ever made.
Really?
Can you believe that? Yeah. And I winged it. I literally just thought, okay, what would go in a chili? I bought it and we threw it in the pot. You diced it up perfectly, but
You got it hanging off your beard. There we go.
yeah, this is the first chili I've ever made.
This is great.
I've had a pretty good day. You know?
Yeah.
We got a solid campsite. Got to go on a nice walk. Met a new dog friend. I got to go ride my bike, which was fun.
It was a really good day.
We're in chill mode, clearly. Just hanging out. Oh,
What?
the heater stopped.
The heater!
I was like, it's way too quiet.
Oh no!
What happened?
Alright,
Well,
we gotta fix this problem.
I gotta get up.
Alright.
If we didn't have heat, we'd probably have to go home.
We'd freeze to death. No, we wouldn't freeze to death, but we'd be very cold. Would not be comfy.
What happened? Oh. Somehow it got unplugged.
Oh, I wonder if it was when I went to charge my phone.
Well, I have to go outside and start it back up, so let's go. Oh boy. Thankfully we got our nice light here. And turn that on. All we gotta do is just get her going again. So this is a lesson learned. We gotta be really careful not to bump that 12-volt port inside because it can turn off our heater, which is not good for it to just like shut off like that. It's not good at all. Hopefully, in moments, we shall hear the ticking of the fuel pump. Right, Ellie? Hopefully very soon. There we go. Heat is returning. What do you think? You happy about it? I am.
Dance, 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 dance.
Oh, thanks. Thanks, girl. Go on, Ellie. Go, Bobby. Yeah. Good morning. Just making some coffee. And yeah, we're gonna enjoy that. And then unfortunately, it's time to pack up and get out of here. Oh yeah. It's good. It's absolutely stunning out here. So the Zumbro River is right over there. Meanders through this valley, heads straight out that way. As you can see, we've got the bluffs surrounding. And the forest behind me. And the forest, this state forest, continues through most of these bluffs, and you can hike or ride, do whatever you're gonna do for miles. It's really, really awesome. I just love it.
Good morning. Ellie and I are just walking down the road. I wanted to get a good look at the river. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I can only imagine what this looks like during the spring and winter time. Yay! She's like, I'll lead the way.
All right, that's gonna do it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. This was so awesome to come out and discover a new place that is accessible in the wintertime and is just so beautiful. We really had a great time. I wanna thank Himiway for sponsoring this video. If you're interested in a fat tire bike or anything like that, you can check the link in the description below. But otherwise, we're just grateful for you coming along on this adventure.
Thank you so much for watching.
All right, we'll see you on the next one.